All right, so here is a Polygonica based application. It's cross-platform, and I'm going to open up an STL file for processing, but we can import any file format, major CAD file formats. So this is STL mesh. It does have a hole, so one of the things with Polygonica you can do is you can heal it, so that'll be the first step. But what we are interested in doing is remeshing this. So notice there's 50,000 triangles in this. I'm going to zoom in and change, using Hoops Visualize, change the rendering mode to hidden line so you can see the mesh. It's a non-uniform mesh, but part of the Polygonica remeshing is the ability to create a uniform mesh. And in this case, let's just make 100,000 triangles. And it does take a little bit of time, so let's just wait on that. All right, so it's done. We have not exactly 100,000 triangles, but 96,000 and a uniform mesh. There are other options that we can use here in this remeshing operation, but this is just a simple example on what's possible bringing data in using Hoops Exchange, processing it with Machineworks Polygonica, and then visualizing it with Hoops Visualize.